everybody, Alex with Type Studio, and today we're talking about searching. And more specifically, searching through your videos. Now you're probably asking, Alex, what is searching through a video? Well, good question, and it's basically the ability to search keywords that you've said throughout the video and having a program that allows you to find that specific spot in the video for you. And that program I'm talking about is Type Studio. This guy. So first you're going to start by going to our website, typestudio.co, and going up to the top right and signing up for a free account. Once in, you're going to start a new project. Find that video of yours that you're trying to edit, drag it and drop it in, let it upload into the program. In the program, you're going to be met with a transcription on the left-hand side and then a video preview on the right. Real quick, to cut and or edit a video, you can just highlight a portion of the transcript, hit the delete key on your keyboard or the delete button right there, and it'll make the cut for you. If that's not the cut you wanted to make, or you just want to go back, you can click the undo button right here, and it'll put it back exactly how it was. Now, to search a certain phrase or keyword throughout the video, you're gonna go up to the top middle, and you're gonna click on the search button. Go ahead and type out the word that you're looking for. I know I talk about Twitter a little bit in this video, so I'll type in Twitter and I'll see where I said that. And look, there it is. Using this feature, you're able to track down specific words and keywords and phrases that you say throughout a video without needing to scrub through an entire timeline or just watch a whole video over again. Once you've had enough searching and your video is exactly how you'd like it, you're gonna go up to the top right, click export, and then download video. This will render the video out and bring you to the sharing page. Here on the sharing page, you can either make this video public and share this specific page with the shareable link, or you can just click the download button and it will download right under your computer. And that's it. That's how we easily scrub through a video without actually needing to scrub through a video. Really short and simple little tutorial we got going on here. So if it helped you out at all, we'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It helps us know that we're doing something, right? Also, if you'd like to check out our social medias, we post a lot over there. It's not all just my face. So if that's something that interests you, or you're looking to keep up to date with all the features and stuff that's coming out with Type Studio, go ahead and give us a follow, give us a button, click the button for us. Just, you know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.